things aren't meant to be fair. I know you left me down and out, and now the river is red. Got that hit on your head. Should've buried your dead. Should've listened to me and said, oh, how little you know. You better watch out, my friend. When it goes dark, you better lay low. When it goes dark, you better lay You should've kept up on your end. Should've been there when you said I depended on you over and over again. You think I'll sit here and pretend I don't forgive, I don't forget. Let me tell you this, my friend. You better lay
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control. We could be taking control.
But we got sticks for real. We looking out for the opposition, we don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I do ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your lace. Ay, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young vet. Wiz, he was a part of the gang. No, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right, I push the. I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
Okay, my timing is critical. They know my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the dash is digital, gas residual. Fire and smoke like I'm leading a ritual. You bet my cash is long. I hit the gas, I'm gone. Riding my wave. I've been stuck in my zone. I bet I blast them all. Sliding on faith. I've been out finding my ways. Grinding for days. I've been out shining the hate. All of y'all wanted for praise. Stuck in a phase. Let it and turn it ablaze. Yeah, homie, you don't want no race. Nah, better to stick to your place. Yeah, want it all, I gotta taste. You push on the pedal, now I gotta skate. Yeah, all I ever known. Put me on this throne. Pinnacle. Push my buttons and that motherfucker go. What you know, what you own. Push it and I zone. Sonic booms for the room. Run it till the tomb with my goons. Smell the fumes. Y'all know what it do with the crew when we coming through. Y'all know better move, make it fast. Ain't no second chance coming for your ass. Turn to ash, burning rubber. Now I'm better push the gas like.
I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
So I created a list of everything that is going to get done in this bike. I have broken it down into 4 categories: electrical, mechanical, drive, and the cosmetics. Somewhere I have my marker. We've already got the chain conversion done, well, more or less done. The rear sprocket and the front sprocket is everything that was large scale that I need to do. I'm gonna have to put the chain on, but we'll do that later. So, mark that off for now. So on the electrical, you guys watched me tear it down. The electrical connector area, like close to the electrical connector, was pretty chewed up, pretty marred up. It just needs to be repaired or replaced. Looking into either or. Gonna do a different tail light and a plate mount, probably vertical, right there, with tail light in it, and then do something with the marker light situation, which is on there. We got an idea of what to do on the front end. The back end, still up in the air. I also want to do a new headlight on it. the headlight I had on there now, or before I tore everything apart, was pretty good. It was just a little small, so get a little bigger one. The mechanical, pretty simple. Rebuild the carbs, do new air filter situation. Really didn't care for the air box. It was just kind of a pain in the ass to work with, so I'll get new, probably just 2 pod filters of sorts, and then do fluid changes all the way around, coolant, oil, so on and so forth. As for the drive, chain conversion, got that worked out. Great cable. When I did this exhaust, and more or less did it out of necessity, the exhaust when I got the bike was pretty rough. The cable, I didn't even think about it when I put it in, but the cable's riding up against the muffler, and so it's been melting the cable, and it's making it so the rear brake doesn't work. And yeah, no, that's not good. And then new tires. As you've seen, my rear tire, super bald since I got it, and the front tire needs replacement too. So what I'm thinking when it comes to cosmetic area, I'm gonna cut the frame back, bob the fender out. I want to do a little bit taller handlebars. I'm a bigger guy, taller, I guess, than what this bike was designed for, I'd assume. So I just like a little more reach up top, and yeah, so I'll get taller bars, new seat situation. With cutting the rear, the seat's not going to work, so I will do something with the seat situation in here, and then paint the bike when we're done. And I think that really mops everything up. I'm going to say this list is definitely going to get longer. The further we get down, we're going to find some stuff that was an issue that I wasn't aware of, or some plans may change. But that's a general idea. So that's what we're going to try to do.